Item 5.6, Hawke's Bay Triennial Agreement. Welcome, Jane.
Councillors, I will take the paper as read, and are there any questions?
All right, yeah, get that one, Meg.
Really?
I'm just busy.
Just through the chair, it says here the agreement should be entered into not later than 1st March. Yeah, so.
Yes, so we actually adopted all the other ones at the last meeting, but there were some issues with Hawke's Bay, and pretty much they are now all resolved and they have all signed it except for us. I don't think there's an organisation that will.
So you're happy with the way it's come back?
Now we're very happy, yes.
Sure.
Any further comments?
I'd move.
Mover and a seconder.
Yep. Second that.
Thank you, Councillor Cousins. All those in favour?
Aye.
Carried.